You pulling your socks out? Thank you. Thank you. Good girl. There you go. You got more in there? Is there still more socks? Oh, there they are. Thanks. Perfect. All right. Okay, is there more socks in there? Thank you. Here we go. Ready to put them back in. Push them in, push them in. There you go. Thank you. There you go. Right there. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, I'm sorry. I need to hold them. Thanks. Thanks. Yes. Perfect. Thank you. Oh, two that match. Oh, perfect. Got any more socks in there? Oh, is it empty? Okay, here, put them back in. Oh, thank you. Put it in your box. Like this. There you go. Put them in. Hey, wait, we didn't put them all in yet. Okay. Go ahead. Pink one. That's pink. And this one has a heart. Oh, are you giving one to your balloon? You want to give a sock to your balloon? I don't think your balloon wants a sock. Balloon. Thank you. Balloon. Oh, thank you. Balloon. Your balloon does not want a sock. Oh, oh, does that one taste good? Ew, it's a sock. Pew pew socks. Thank you. Yes. Okay. Good job. Balloon. Yes. I know. Your balloon does not want your socks. Balloon. See, pew pew socks. Pew, stinky feet. Thank you. Balloon. Put it on your head. Does that taste good? Oh, it does? Okay, good. I don't want to try it. I'll take your word for it. Balloon. Thank you. Oh, does that one taste good? I'll take your word for it. I don't want to eat it. Oh. Thank you. Ready? Let's put him back in. Put him back in. Whoa, piggy. Are you a piggy? Piggy. Thank you. Thank you. Go put it on your head. Do you have a sock on your head? Oh, you almost got it. There it is. Yeah. Good girl. Oh. Okay. Thanks. It's over here. Oh, mix them up. Mix them up. Woohoo! Sock party! Thank you. Thank you. Oh, that one's not for me. Oh, thank you.